a D. If you doubted me, back in the back, back in the back, back in the back, back in the back. Who on Barbie D? Who on Barbie D? Everybody who you gotta see. Honestly, on my odyssey, on the baddest beat. I don't even know how to speak. Hat to the back and relax.
Right now, I am getting ready to go into Lala's event. I'm super excited. It's a grand opening for her lash bar, so I cannot wait to see how everything looks. I'm super excited for her, and I'm recording on my phone, so I don't know if the quality is going to be good or not, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me.
Type of ordeal where if somebody that does braids or makeup or lashes want to do a pop-up and they need a suite for the day, that's what this space is. This is my booth in the back, and I'll be doing lashes there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my picture after.
No problem. So yes, and then the other collection, number 4, is the Zodiac collection that you guys see here. Eventually, I will be moving that to the mall. I think it'll do better inside of a mall, but right now it's here. So I have the t-shirts, bracelets. I also have necklaces and candles. I don't think they're put out right now. Okay. And then the 5th collection that I'm doing in here is Pink Stationery, also known as the Girl Boss Gift Shop. So you guys can have stationery, girlish gift items, and little trinkets. Yeah. The 6th collection I will not be announcing right now, but it'll come out sometime next year or year after that. So it's gonna be 6 things up in here, okay? We're gonna cut this for y'all. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, make it hot.
Yeah! This grand opening was absolutely amazing. Eyelash will be very successful. I love the way that Lala has set it up and transformed Pink Charm into a lash bar. You go, girl.
Thank you for the support. It's like my test sample t-shirts, and these are a part of the Girl Boss Gift Shop collection. So you have t-shirts, we have stationery, cute little trinkets, and stationery items and girlish gifts.
If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel now and make sure you like and comment. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
If you doubted me, back in the back.